will be putting our fidgets into this water bowl. We do not have a pool, so we cannot do it in a pool, but I wish we could. So let's just get started. First is this poppet. Let's see if it floats. I think it won't.
It does!
Next is
this rainbow unicorn puppet. I think it's going to sink.
I think it's going to sink too.
It floats!
It floats!
Wait, let's see. Oh no. Yeah, it floats.
Oop. Next is this circle poppet.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and put this in there.
It
floats! I think all poppets float. Next we have this poppet.
Yes. Let's see if it will float. I don't think it will.
It floats!
This is this fidget spinner. Let's see if it will float.
It floats! I think all of our fidgets float.
Probably.
We have this little panda squishy. I think it is going to sink.
Me too. It
It
floats.
floats!
It floats.
Let's get some of that.
What are you doing?
Getting the stuff out of it.
So weird.
Next is a pop tube.
Pop tube.
I think this is going to float.
Me too.
And it floats.
We're putting all the poppets in there to dump it out.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yep. 3, 2.
Oh my god, hold it. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1.